Landowner associations of Puluni Revenue Circle express unhappiness with Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. All Karbi Priest meeting at Koilamati. 3 killed in head-on collisions on NH36 at Mhandijua. BJP Puluni Mandal Committee first executive meeting at Center. Vodeng Siri Sport Club leave the CSA Interclub Football Championship 2020. The Landowner Associations of Puluni Revenue Circle has expressed unhappiness with the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Authority for not fulfilling its demand for holding talks between the landowners and the National Highway Authority of India, NHAI, who will be constructing a 4-lane road in the district. In a press conference called by the associations in Puluni on Monday, President Jirhon Hanse and General Secretary Jirsong Taro informed that the associations had submitted a memorandum to KASE in this regard in June earlier this year. However, no actions has been taken in this regard till date. The associations has further demanded to know the exact rate of land that the NHAI will be paying to the acquired landowners, and they further said that if the exact rates are not disclosed to them, then they will not give their land. A meeting of Karbi priests of the traditional tribal religions and the Christian religions took place at Sartheterang LP School in Koilamati under Nilip constituency on Monday. Religious leaders of both the faith share with each other the different Karbi rituals which are needed to be performed on various occasions in both the faith, acknowledging the fact that loss of culture is loss of identity. A discussion was also held on how to preserve the Karbi culture and traditions by both the faith in their own way. Several religious leaders, Gaumburas, Sarkari Gaumburas, and well-known personalities of the area attended the meeting. Moses Teron from Nilip for 365 News India. Three persons were killed when the bus they were traveling in collided with a water truck on NH36 at Mhandijua near Manja on Monday morning. The bus bearing registrations number AS21C4996 was coming from Dimapur and heading to Hojai when it collided head-on with a truck bearing registration number AS14C6723. The three persons who died on the spot are identified as Javed Ali, age 32 years, of Barama Baksha, Dharmendra Das, age 32 years, and Anupam Sharma of Barbeta town. Several others were also injured in the accident. Rajesh Hanse from Manja for 365 News India. Vodeng Siri Sport Club defeated Nongkular Sport Club 11-0 in the final match of the CSA Interclub Football to lift the championship at Kolonga Playground on Monday. The tournament is organized by Chari Sport Association. The tournament's highest scorer award went to Birsing Rongpi, who scored all the 11 goals in the final match. Best goalkeeper award went to Ronbir Kathar. KASE CM Tuliram Ronghang, who is also the president of Karbi Anglong Sport Association, awarded rupees 10,000 to the winner and 5,000 to the runners-up, and MP Horan Singh Bey, who is also the president of West Karbi Anglong Sport Association, awarded rupees 5,000 to the second runners-up team. KASEM's MSC's Gaumburas, Sarkari Gaumburas, Habe Pinpo, and large number of public attended the final match. News Desk Report, 365 News India. Assam Hills Area Development Minister Sumronghang laid the foundation stone for constructions of stone Soling Road with PPC work, community hall, boundary wall, and iron gate, and 2 RCC ring wells under the Assam Adarso Gram Yochna in Buratiso village, Langsuliat today. The minister informed that 2 villages in Dipu Legislative Assembly constituency have been selected under the scheme. The other village is Dharamtul in Rajapathar under Langpher MSC constituency. The constructions will be carried out at a cost of rupees 50 lakhs. Out of his 15 lakhs have been released to Lumbajong block development officers for executing the work. KASEM Rotan Teron, Karbi Anglong DC, NG Chandra Jwat Singha is Karbi Anglong President Hon Singh Teron, General Secretary Madhuram Lekthe, DRDA Chairman and BDO were present in the program today. Debaram Kathar from Dipu for 365 News India. Adieu viewers, thank you for watching 365 News India. Have a bright day ahead.